and I've been learning how to trade, and I've been trading for almost a year now. So I am sharing with you what I'm learning about trading to see if it's something that you can use that yourself in order for you to start trading as well. So why not? So okay, so let's look at some of the foundation of trading. Before you start trading, these are the things you need to know in order for you to get your foundation right before you start learning about technical analysis. I think this is important. So what is forex? Forex is what we call foreign exchange or currency exchange. I learned this when I didn't know I can sit at home and start learning how to do this, how to exchange currency. And when I learned it with this school here, I was like, wait, let me get from the beginning so I get the basics. So here's what I learned. I learned that foreign exchange or currency exchange, that I do that a lot of the time because I travel a lot. So when I'm going to Mexico, so I have to exchange the US dollar for the Mexican peso so I can use in Mexico. So now with forex, what I can do now, I can use the pair, right? US peso. I can trade the value of these two currency. If I know that the US in the US the Fed, if I know the Federal Reserve will increase interest rate, I know that's gonna affect the value of the peso. So now I can trade that pair. This is an exchange basically. You change value, right? The value of the money. So if the peso worth 10 US dollars, 10 US dollars, 1 US dollar worth 10 peso, now I can see how the value change. If the value of the US dollar increase, you're gonna need probably more peso, right, for the same dollar. So this, when I know that, then I can start making money by knowing that. This is why the currency forex is the forex market is the marketplace where all currencies are exchanged with each other. So, for example, like we given some example. Let's look at some form example. U.S. dollar versus the Canadian dollars. When you are buying the pair US dollar versus the Canadian dollars, what you're trying to do basically, you're trying to buy US dollar by selling Canadian dollars. That's what this is. You see? So if you're doing the euro US dollars, if you go into Europe, what do you need? You need euro. So you sell US dollar to buy the euro. You see that? In the other way around. If you come into the US, you sell the euro, right, to buy US dollar. This is the exchange. This is some example. And in the marketplace where all those transactions are happening, right? The marketplace where all these transaction is happening is the forex market. So anytime you two or three people meet together to do exchange, that's a market. You the same way when you go to the stock market, what do you exchange? You exchange a stock, the value of companies. Okay, you give money and they give you a stake in the company. So the same way with the forex market. So understand this. This is things I'm learning. I think it's good for you to learn it too as well to see. Oh wait, I do that every day. Maybe I can learn how to trade. Why not? Okay, it's happening everywhere. Okay, I know. I'm from Haiti. I know they. I used to go in front of the banks. I see people selling US dollars. You can go if somebody send you money, you can go exchange it. They give you good Haitian good, and then you give them the dollar. That's the same concept. So if you want to come to the US, you have good, you have to exchange it for US dollar. If you can do that in real life, why not learning how to do this so you can start making money at home on your computer? So this is the forex market. The foreign exchange market works by simultaneously exchanging the value of one currency for another. So in the market, when you put an order, when you buy a pair or sell a pair, at the same time there is you exchange the value of the pair for another currency. If you know the euro is gonna increase, if you have the you can buy the US dollar versus the euro. That's mean you say, oh, I'm gonna sell the US dollar because it might go down. The value of the euro is gonna go up. The same way, if the value of the euro is going to go down, the US value will go up. So this is the way you understand the foreign exchange works by at the same time exchanging the value of two currencies. Basically, that's what they're telling us. And it is the largest $1 trillion. That's mean every day $5 trillion exchange hands in the market. So this it's bigger than the stock market. Did you know that? When I know that, I was like, wait, why didn't they tell us about this thing? Why didn't they tell us about the forex market? Why didn't they tell us about trading the forex market? How to trade currency? I never know about this. I don't know. Maybe you know about it. But what I'm trying to do myself now is do what every a lot of people are doing now, trading currency. So you see, this is the forex market. This is forex, foreign exchange currency. We all can be part of it. Why not? If I can exchange money to go to a country, now I can understand when the value of this money is going up and down. If there is a crisis in a country, now I understand how to take advantage of that because now I can trade that currency. I can make money at home. I can make an extra $100, $200, $300. I start small so I can learn this. This is why I think I'm going to put the link to Explosion Trading Academy in the video description so you can click on it and check it out for yourself. Call those guys, they can give you more instruction. You can see what program they have that you might be able to take advantage of. I think, this is me personally, I think it's worth more than a college degree. So if you can stay home, make $500 a day, that can change your life. That can change my life. I don't know about you. Okay. So then this is why I'm learning how to do this. In 2 3 years, when I become a professional in this, that I can do this full time. I don't have to have a job.